Love and lust. Well, now that I know the difference between the both, I choose love over lust. To be honest, if I had never experienced lies told covering lust with the word love, I wouldn't know how being truly loved feels like. He'd ride his bike and I'd ride his gun. I thought there was love being his bun. I was fooled by the charm. He wasn't good at anything else besides making me cry and come. The only time I'd feel joy was when he was on top of me, seeing him smile. Cause he wouldn't say a word to me after he was done. He'd just take me home before the rising of the sun. I now know what lust is. It's when he only calls when he wants to fuck. It's when all he misses is your body. It's when you call him bae and he calls you buddy. It's when he don't offer you food when you had come over, but your cake is what he munches. It's when you gotta keep quiet when he sees his mommy. It's when the only person that gets hurt is you. It's when you say, I love you, and he says, me too. It's when you don't even get respect from his crew. But love is way too different. I know he loves me because we are like friends. He knows how to make me smile. I'm certain for me, he'd walk miles. He doesn't snap when I ain't in the mood or don't got time. He's always there making sure I know his love and trust is mine. In the middle of the day, he calls me and asks, have you eaten? Are you fine? That's what I want. I want forever, not a feeling that won't last. I want to be put first, not last. I want something that will help me forget about the past. I want you to touch my heart, not my thighs. If you don't love me, don't lie. I want to be told I'm beautiful, not sexy. Don't make me mad, just drive me crazy. Be loyal so I ain't gotta ask about Stacy. If you truly love me, I won't have to worry about skates you're chasing. If you truly love me, we'll both be happy. You'd make love to me, not that other thing. If you truly love me, I can be the only person that gets hurt. Because if I truly love you, I'd go through hell and back. I choose love over lust.